Welcome back to Begin Race channel. Today we'll do some problems on last topic, that is trigonometric identities. So before going to the problems, just recollect what are those identities. First identity is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is sec square theta minus co- sorry tan square theta is equal to 1. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are the things. You can write these in terms of other forms, but you remember these, very basic, because without minus, that is, all need to be positive. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You can write like this. And second one is cosec square theta, which is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. You can write like this. Remember like this. Okay. Let us come back to the exercise. Exercise 11.4. First question is, in the first question, first sub question is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. You need to evaluate this sum. Okay. Let us write. At the end of this answer, I'll do some conclusion. I will give some tips. Okay. Here, let us break the ratios. The basic ratios of sine theta and cos theta. Let us break all the definitions, all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sine theta and cos theta. So what we'll get here, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta, plus here sec theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. Here 1 plus cot theta is what? Reverse to tan, that is cos theta by sine theta. Here cosec theta is what? 1 by sine theta. If you multiply with this, what you will get? 1. Here you will get cos square theta. In the numerator, denominator is cos square theta, means numerator also cos square theta. That is cos square. Sorry. Here not cos square. This is cos, just cos. Because here cos theta, here cos theta. This is a plus symbol, so cos theta. So here also cos theta. Cos theta plus here sin theta plus 1 into here what? Sin theta. Sin theta, here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Here if you observe cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, here cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. If you consider A is equal to some cos theta plus sin theta, B is equal to 1. So if you consider like this, you can represent this as A plus B into A minus B. That is A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to what? A square minus B square. We know this is the one of the identity of in algebra. So you can write this thing here. A is cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square. Here B is 1. Divided by here cos theta into sin theta. In the denominator, direct multiplication. That is sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to what? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. What you will get? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. We know this is one identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Here 1 minus 1. So what you will get? 1 minus 1 nullifies 0. You will remaining with 2 cos theta and sin theta. So 2 cos theta sin theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta, here sin theta cos theta gone. You will end up with 2 by 1, that is 2. This is the answer. Here you need to remember, you can remember, not you need to, you can, for your competitive examinations, if you want to do the problems very quickly and easily, then you can see here cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to, generally no one knows, anybody knows, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But for the trigonometry ratios, a square plus b square is 1 here, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta. You can remember like this also. And we'll see next problem. Okay. The next problem is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is what? Here you can derive in another manner or like this. In this, sin theta plus cos theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta. You can assume this sin theta as A or cos theta as B. So this equation we can write, how we can write? Here A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. What you will get? You will get 2 times A square plus B square. This you will get. I think you know this relation. How you will get means A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A minus B whole square means A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here plus 2AB, here minus 2AB. Plus 2AB and minus 2AB get cancelled, and here you remaining with A square plus B square. Here also you remaining with A square plus B square. So if you sum up two things, so you get 2 times A square plus B square. So here you compare this to A and B. So here also the same equation you can write here. The given answer, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2 times sin theta square cos theta square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. That is what identity. So 2 into 1 is what? 2. Okay, we'll see. Next problem is sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is what? We can write this. This is one identity. If you observe, what are the identities in terms of sec? You know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if you bring 1 to this side and tan to that side, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Here also cosec, one more identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here also cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So from this you can write here, this is what? Tan square theta is equal to tan square theta into this is what? Cot square theta, that is equal to cot square theta. Here tan theta into cot theta. If you remember, the multiplication of these two will give what? 1. I said, because tan is a reciprocal to cot and cot is a reciprocal to tan. That means tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. I already said this. So tan theta into cot theta you will get 1. So which is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. Answer is 1. Let us see another problem. The next question is, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the question. If they ask this kind of questions, that is something is equal to something, you can use two kind of methods. One thing is you can take LHS and take RHS and show that these two are equal. And one more thing is you take either LHS or RHS, and if you take LHS, you derive and go to RHS. and if you take RHS, you derive and go to LHS. This is the second kind of method. In this, we'll take this LHS and we derive RHS. What is the LHS given? That is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is what they have given, which is equal to what? What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. This is we know. What is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to reverse of tan, that is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Reverse of that is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, which is equal to what? 1 by sin theta. Here also some sin theta, so you can write directly sin theta here. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. You can write a by b whole square means what? A square by b square. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. I am writing here 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta whole square means sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square you can write in 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because a square means what? A into a. So that's what I written here. By here sin square theta. We have one identity with sin theta and cos theta. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what you can write as sin square theta is equal to 1. If you bring this cos to that side, 1 minus cos square theta. So I use this relation here. So here what? Sin square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Here if you observe 1 minus cos square theta, this 1 can be written as 1 square. So this a square minus b square, you can written like that. So if you break this 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, here 1 minus cos square theta you can break like 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, because a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Here a square is 1 square, that is 1, b square is cos square theta, a square minus b square. So you can break like that. Here 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta can be cancelled. So this is the answer. Okay, this is what we need to prove. Okay, we'll see next question is, show that under root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. This is what they have asked. So we'll take this LHS term, that is under root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. Here root is there, here no root is there. So we want to take off this root. First I want to eliminate this root from for numerator. So what I do is I multiply with 1 plus sin a on numerator and denominator also. So here I'll do 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus 1 minus sin a. I'll multiply and divide with the 1 plus sin a here. So 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. Okay. Here 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is what? 1 plus sin a whole square. Here 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is what? A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus sin square a. Let us write here. So here under root of 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square here divided by here what? 1 square minus sin square a, that is 1 minus sin square a. This is you get, which is equal to what? 1 plus sin, okay, 1 plus sin a whole square divided by 1 minus sine square theta. I think you know this. 1 minus sine square theta is what? Directly cos square theta, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here, if you bring that sine square theta term to other side, so cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. I think you understand it. 1 minus sine square a is equal to here cos square a. Okay, that means you can eliminate this root, because on the numerator there is a square, on the denominator also there is a square, so you can eliminate like 1 plus sine a by cos a. You can write like this. If you break this, what you will get? 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a. What is 1 by cos a? 1 by cos a is obviously sec a. What is sine a by cos a? This is tan a. So we proved this is equal to this. Okay, we'll see next problem. The next problem is show that 1 minus tan square a divided by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So here take the LHS, same. 1 minus tan square a divided by cot square a minus 1, which is equal to what? Which is equal to same 1 minus tan square a, you write like that, but denominator cot square a means what? Cot a is what? 1 by tan a. We can write cot a as 1 by tan a. So cot square a we can write 1 by tan square a minus 1. Here 1 minus tan square a divided by this, you can write tan square a can be multiplied numerator and denominator to get same in denominator. Tan square a is equal to 1 minus tan square a. This can be written as 1 minus tan square a into tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So you can cancel 1 minus tan square a and 1 minus tan square a in denominator and numerator, and you remaining with tan square a. This is the answer. We'll see the next problem. Okay, the next problem is show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. It is very simple. Here 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So in the denominator you can write cos theta. So what you will get? 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is what? I said it is sin square theta. So sin square theta by cos theta, which we can write as sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Yes, sin square theta divided by cos theta is sin square theta by cos theta. So here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into sin theta. This is the answer. Okay, the next problem is simplify sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. You need to simplify and find the final answer. Okay, first given sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is what given. So if you multiply this sec into this, so what you will get? Sec a into 1 is sec a minus sec a into sin a is sec a sin a into sec a plus tan a. Okay, here sec a minus here sec a into sin a. What you will get? Sec means what? 1 by cos. 1 by cos a into sin a. What you will get? Sin a divided by cos a, that is tan a. So here you can write tan a into here sec a plus tan a. Sec a plus tan a. If you observe, this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. What do you get? A square minus b square. That is sec square a minus tan square a. If you observe, this is one of the identity, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square a minus tan square a is what? Which is equal to 1. This is the answer. This is the end of this video. I hope you understand these problems. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell button for upcoming videos of our channel. Thank you and thank you for watching.